Right. Good morning.
Turang tau, namarama tau. And lo sana po turang etolu. The aunro bembua vate maduata. Nimbula rin nimbula siya.
Yes.
Nimbula binaa. And to all the hotel staff workers tuning in this morning, we say Andrew welcome to Ouch Palang Show. Andrew Eleanor.
Andrew good morning to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning.
Yeah.
Totokan din na nanra kita tumba. We women, we love it when this kind of weather showed up early in the morning.
Dina.
Because there's a lot of chance. We have a lot of work at home, and
who said a lot of work?
Yes, we have a lot of work at home.
Because majority of the work has been done by the Turangas.
No, Turanga, they only have a certain work, and then
like
that's
what?
it. That's it.
Like certain work, like what?
Like if they are at home and they are not working, then they'll eventually just wake up.
Yeah.
They just have their breakfast.
Right.
That's it.
Eleanor, that's
They
work.
don't know who makes the breakfast.
If they wake up and do the Facebook thing and just lazing around,
right.
that's part of their work.
No, that's not work. That's wasting time. That's dinmaro.
Ada bilang turang night mel ada lewe na budu betoka dia na matang di gravity kuat. To all the mothers out there, we say we hope that you have a beautiful day.
Right.
Dona silbinang ni gravita bedi silbinang ni kuat. Kapau si bisa to all the nurses out there, doctors out there, hospital staff,
saving
na kitchen
lives,
crew,
right.
na laundry staff, ada people limbulan niyan di mata binaka. Maka kini biar tabi mati boleh ni tabi tabi mati leno.
Yes, tuning in from home, maybe you're listening in this beautiful morning. We hope that you will speed recovery. And natutolon na mbula binag kibeke mnikat sara. Onindo pa taboli to kamay na matanga ni kuwa. If you are sick, the Messi, if you are sick this morning,
his stomach is flowing.
His stomach is not negotiating with his
the drainage system is
slack.
To all the listeners tuning in this morning, listening into Ouch Palang Show.
Right.
It's a big care to you all.
Yes.
If someone out there knows how to stop or
prevent,
put a lid on this drainage system, please let us know. Message to my and messenger with FM say live page. Right. What would be the cause of this problem?
Yes, he's got a very weak internal organs.
Yeah, baka betul ko sa kalilichung
Yes.
Baka ko dudun mesagi form 5 go.
He should sit on very hot water.
What's me kuwi?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, they may see ka borong sa besandon may poresta kina.
Right. Yes, to remove all the toxic and all the
unwanted particles.
Yes,
in
from his
stomach.
body.
In your stomach. Yan itu kutuk ka. Dito ka chuko teme sa naman. Sa santo tukuna ba? Yeah. Sita ba? Meron ni tabi mo kaya nang bulang mayo tamo ya meron ni may tuman tali chuko ng karavita. Ano ba ka meron nanti naman tali ko. Okay. There's one question I would like to ask this morning.
My question,
the difference between a ngonelewa,
right,
a maramatina like you,
right,
and a grandmother.
A difference?
The difference.
The difference is the age.
Well, someone can be 18 years old,
right,
with the 2 kids or 3,
right.
Yeah, and someone with 4 kids,
right.
What a grandmother. Okay, what's the difference between a ngonelewa and a mother?
Okay, the difference between a ngonelewa and the mother.
Yeah.
Ngonelewa, free. You can go anywhere.
Yeah.
You can do anything. You don't have to worry about anything.
But some mothers too are like that, free.
Some mothers
like acting like to be a ngonelewa.
Acting like to be a ngonelewa. Maybe the husband passed away, or maybe the husband is there, but is like passed away.
But sometimes we hear, Setsi.
Yeah. Maybe the husband is very understanding.
Okay, maybe.
Yes.
Right.
The husband is very understanding, like the Europeans. The Europeans, they let their wives go and enjoy themselves.
So, in
In overseas. Yeah, because bubu is part of marriage, eh?
Okay.
If you like what Demesi always say, Demesi too, he's always coughing. He said he believes his ideology is if you don't feel jealousy for your wife, then you don't really love her. That is Demesi's ideology of.
Okay. Back to my question.
Right.
Sometimes the mother like you acting like a mbumbu, eh?
Right.
Because I'm
not acting like a mbumbu.
No. I'm not saying it's you. What I'm saying is sometimes the difference, eh?
Right.
Between the Ngoneleo, the Maramatina, and the mbumbu.
Right.
But sometimes the Maramatina acts like a mbumbu.
Right.
Yeah, acts like a mbumbu.
Okay.
She's not a mbumbu.
Different upbringing.
Okay.
Different upbringing.
All right.
Some of us are brought up in a family that are very like conservative, eh?
Right.
They have been taught certain ways, and if you come from a chiefly family like that, like you will, as soon as you reach, as soon as you are married, you will act that way.
Okay, all right.
But some of us who are brought up in different style of upbringing, in towns maybe, and the parents and the kids, they are very open-minded.
Right.
We will act that way.
Okay, last question.
Right.
Sometimes Mbumbu acts like one Ngonelewa. The way she talks, the way she uku, and the way she, No,
I fan them. I fan the type of Mbumbus who act like Ngonelewa. Okay. Because they are showing that there's so much to live for.
Yeah.
Eh? And the maruta
plenty fish in the sea.
Iyo kundi they show that even though they are they're still breathing, a lot can happen.
So out of all this, Eleanor, which one would you like to be? Ngonelewa, Maramatina, or Mbumbu?
Ngonelewa. It is not easy.
Baru coba mau tamai rusi ni ko ker. Mesa sulle men non vol di risan. Wasi kan baru taksa beke bena kadar beto kan lumayan ada bena main nabuni sole na mata ka bena ka di ko some are brought up in a night.
Saya kira ke pula. Brought up in the night club.
Tuol ta kone lewa sa te wi se yana bena ka to you. You are beautiful as you are. Okay, we can na Maramatina and we talk to all the Maramatina and to all the Mbumbus out there.
Right.
Kachibio no muni mbuni nga mbumbu. Na mataka ni binga ramni ko. Na kambimbi no tabitalo na uto tabitalo na matani ko. Ni tobi matichiko na non the gang na mataka.
Right. Unstoppable.
The running stomach. He's got a running stomach. Kaya kaya doon na may nawani mate na mataka ni ko. Wala chuma o tinay tukan.
I want to be mbumbu. Let's tinay tukan if you want to be mbumbu.
Naman yan, napakatang bisig na Vida FM 92.2 FM ay Kamida.
Guy Kachi! Para tayo ni Absay Banivalu, sama tayo may Vomong Island, may matagab na ni Kua.
Ano benak?
Right. Eles direito kana, remisio tawake, may nabuni sole, ito ano benak may nabuni sole?
Iya, benak boleh besar.
Samba, Joki Rekabula, Samba brought up in a nightclub. Kua! Yan rin binaka tamay emosi, yan rin binaka. Kalau nga tanang garabi tabi ni Kua.
Yan rin binaka mamangga.
Tamay lambatambua, yan rin binaka. Sengaga Health Center Maduata.
Isa.
Pasiti, yan rin binaka. John Kumar, Robin, may Nisulandi?
Robin Lee Ramage, Keora.
Emma Ranandi.
Old friend.
Oh.
Iya.
Okay.
Manoa, ada benaka Emma Ranandi, ada benaka. Na boleh besar rabi tokan bimay. California, na mataka di bengar rabi di Kua.
Geng di koti-koti QBS, serta na geng ni Nabuni Solen. Do yan rin binaka, remisyo tawake. Mano ni binaka?
Rather hard luck mataka na share na mataka di Kua, na mataka di mataka maro.